Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for August and I've got a Roccabox. If you're new to Roccabox and you'd like to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Roccabox is a UK only beauty subscription box. It costs £13.95 a month and that includes shipping, and inside you'll receive between 5 to 6 beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, nail care, makeup, body care, hair care, you name it, anything beauty related. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, and they bring out limited edition boxes now and again, and they have mystery boxes. So I'll have a search to see what they've got on their website at the moment and pop them down below in my description, as well as the link to the subscription. Plus they've given me a code to share with you for 20% off your first box. You'll find all that down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This is a PR box and this box was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away, but let's get on to showing you what's in their August box. So inside we get a card and it details everything about the products, including the cost, so I'm able to tot it up and give you a final value at the end. Plus it's got a sneak peek for next month. So in September's box we'll receive a Jecca Black Hydrate Primer and it's worth £16. So everyone will receive one of those. Give you a quick look. Oh, make sure I haven't got any products hidden in the worms. There's loads, isn't there? There's always loads. It's well protected. So this is the glow up edit. There. So before I show you the products, I'll just read you a little bit about this month's theme. This August might look a little different to usual. Oh, how I long for those festival and foreign jetways again. But we don't need to, which is why we've dedicated this box to giving you an unforgettable August glow. Our lovingly edited collection of brightening skincare, illuminating makeup and invigorating body care will give you the kind of radiance we're all craving right now and leave you glowing all month long. Get ready to glow, girls, loved Tia, the founder. So starting off with a hero product, the hero product refers to like the best product in the whole box. We have got here an illuminating, natural, vegan and eco-friendly highlighter by Elixir Beauty. It's a new brand, I haven't heard of that before. So the recommended retail price for this highlighter is £13. It says either mix a few drops with your moisturiser or foundation for an all over glow, or smear a drop over cheekbones, brow bones and cupid bow to highlight your features. However you choose to use it, the end results are universally flattering and that gorgeous golden diffused glow will be the envy of all your friends. Okay, that is super gold, super gold, but how does it blend out? Oh my word, oh my gosh, look, you need a tiny bit. Now me personally, this is just based on me, my age, my skin. I wouldn't mix that with a primer or moisturiser. That is too metallic looking. I would place it where I'd place highlighter, so top of cheekbones, maybe a little bridge on the nose there, above my eyebrows. I wouldn't want it all over. I just think that is way too much for me. You might be completely different. It blends out beautifully. See, it's giving me like a fake tan hand. Yeah, it is really lovely. It's a little bit too much of a highlight for all over application. I would apply that with like a sponge, tiny bit on a sponge, just to like buff it into my skin. So there's that. This is by Vegan, by Happy Skin, Original Skin Essence Toner, Chamomile, Calendula, Aloe Vera Juice. We have got here, doesn't say, I'm assuming, no it doesn't say, I'm assuming say 75 mils, something like that. So it's a toner. This is full size. Woo! Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting this. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £34.99. Wow. by the brand, yeah, Vegan by Happy Skin. Have you ever heard of it before? I don't think I have, so this might be something new for me. A revitalising formula makes this a particularly enjoyable addition to our skincare routine during the summer, as it really refreshes us while soothing and rebalancing our skin post-cleanse. The fact that it's rich in antioxidants as well as lovely hydrating and calming ingredients means that it also makes our skin look softer, more glowy and radiant every time we use it. Ooh. Next, we've got a body cleanser, and this is by the brand What's In It For Me. It contains aloe vera, witch hazel and grapefruit extract to cleanse, along with peppermint and rosemary oil to invigorate the skin and body. Totally selfish, indulgent, in love with yourself products. And there's 50 mils there. Oh my word. Oh my word. Does it say here it smells of grapefruit? Yeah, grapefruit extract. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. What can I tell you about it? This is a deluxe sample size. I'm assuming the recommended retail price is £6.99. It doesn't give me another price for the full size. A combination of aloe vera and witch hazel calms your skin, while grapefruit extract detoxifies and peppermint cools and revitalizes the body. Finish with an icy cold blast of water to up the zing factor and give your immune system a boost if you're feeling daring. That is something I really want to do. I have read so much recently about going for like cold, quick dips in the sea or a river, or taking like cold showers or baths, and yeah, doing it regularly every morning. And it is something I really want to do, but I don't think I can. I am such a wuss. I am like, oh, I don't know. I can go in the sea when it's freezing cold. I can go up to my waist, but I can't bear going further than my boobs. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it, but I want to. So yes, we got a body cleanser there. Next we got a product by Vita Liberata, and this is an advanced tinted tannin elixir, and this is for face and body. We got 30 mils here and a medium shade. Now I think I received this recently in a different box. I haven't used it yet. It says here the ultimate hydrating medium self tan which fades evenly over 10 days. Now that is long lasting. Recommended retail price is £5. It melts beautifully into the skin. In fact, its organic skin loving nourishing ingredients that lock in moisture for 3 whole days makes this teeter on the edge of body butter territory. It delivers the most naturally flawless bronze shade, which rather geniusly continues to develop over 3 days. That covers imperfections as well as giving you a glorious glow. Lastly, it fades evenly over 10 days. Elixir from heaven indeed. Have any of you have tried this? Because it sounds absolutely amazing. If you've used this before, please let me know what you think of it. And also if you've used the dark version. I do like to go really dark, although really dark never comes out really dark with me. I haven't got the type of skin that fake tans easily then, but yeah, I try to be as dark as I can. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think of it, and maybe I might treat myself to the full-size version. And then lastly, we've got a makeup brush from Spectrum, and this is Domed Powder Brush A01. Super soft, gorgeous brush. That is so nice. That is so nice. I do love brushes. The recommended retail price for this brush is £10. A dusting and bronzing powder is a summer makeup essential, and this luxuriously soft large domed brush is the perfect size and shape for evenly dispersing fine powders, so it's ideal for using with your favourite bronzing powder. It will gently grip to the contours of your face, making sure that you get just the right amount of bronzing product on your skin and nailing a flawless look. Yeah, I love this. I love this. So those are all the products in the box. I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up and then I'll be back. So we've got a What's In It For Me, a body cleanser. We've got a Vegan by Happy Skin Essence Toner. We've got an Elixir Beauty, an illuminating highlighter. We've got a Spectrum Cosmetics powder brush, And lastly, Vita Liberata Advanced Tannin Elixir. The cost of the box is £13.95 including shipping, and this month it has a value of £70. I definitely think it's worth it. I definitely do. The body cleanser, I cannot wait to try. I absolutely adore grapefruit scents. I love it. And the brush as well. I've got loads of brushes. I know I've got a bit of an obsession with brushes, but I haven't got too many powder brushes, so I'm happy with that. The highlighter, the illuminating highlighter, we'll see what it's like. It does blend out beautifully, but yeah, I think I would just put it on the high points. The toner as well, pricey toner, sounds amazing. We'll see what that is like on my skin. I do use toner regularly, so yeah, I'll give that a go as well. And the tan, I want to do a little bit more research about the tan. It sounds great. It lasts for 10 days. It carries on developing after 2 days. My gosh, it does sound amazing, but I'm gonna have to look into it a little bit more. But yeah, I might treat myself to the full size if there's good reviews about it. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not this month? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.